Okay, so in this round 25 we're going to close a few gaps. We start with 2 single crochet, and then we're going to work a DC BB. If you've done one of my squares, you're most likely familiar with a DC BB, which is a double crochet behind and below. So this is a stitch that is worked in the background. So we're going to work into the top loops of the stitch that we skipped in the previous round. I'm just going to grab these 2 stitches, 2 loops there, and I'm going to work a double crochet, just a normal one. So that gets me up to the height of this round. Then I'm working 2 singles, and here we've got that front loop from the previous round. Oh, and I'm going to work another popcorn into this, so only 1 yarn over, of course. So, and again I'm going to make a 3 DC popcorn. So the full name would be 3 DC popcorn in front loop, 3 DC popcorn stage 0 minus 2, because we work in the front loop of the stitch that's 2 rounds below. Okay, go into first. There are many versions how to work a popcorn. Some close them in the next round, but I don't, so I just go into the first stitch and then grab the loop again, skip the stitch behind, and again 2 single crochet. And again I'm going to work a double crochet into that skipped stitch there. So I work in the background. I'm just going to grab the top loops of that stitch and I work a double crochet DC BB. And we go on and on with that rhythm, 2 single and either a DC BB, or where we're going to have that free front loop, we're going to work a popcorn. So behind all of these stitches, the treble or double treble, whichever you made, and the 2 together, we're going to work the double crochet behind and below, DC BB, and in these free front loops we're going to work popcorns. And that's all for this round. So very easy again, and very simple. Easy to make, and the rhythm is always 2 something. Mostly it's 2 DCBB, but 3 times, and we did already 1. 1 will be at the end and 1 will be in the middle here. We do the 2 popcorn 2, and the 2 is always 2 single crochet. So an easy rhythm, and again it's symmetrical, so very easy to work. I see you in round 26, I think.